He's gonna freak you.
I'm gonna get you.
Why is it going towards me? Why is it going
There.
Why do you increase speed after that? Why do you slightly increase speed? You like slightly increased speed after you drink the wine.
Speed increased.
Look at them beings. Look at them beings.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. It's almost majestic, kinda. I don't know why. There's like something
It's
about
almost majestic.
it. No, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. There's like something majestic about the way like that. It's just look at him go. Oh.